Now, the fourth step is hopefully the most straightforward, but probably one of the most important. We need to make sure there's a clear alignment between our business case, our proposal, and the strategic priorities of the organization. Ultimately, the whole part of this business case is that funding is limited for an organization, and the business case is often used as a way to try and prioritize initiatives. And if we're not delivering something that aligns strategically for the organization, then really we shouldn't be proceeding with it. So, what we do want to do is paint where does that align when we look at our strategic plan, when we look at our strategic direction. Is there a very clear alignment between what we're proposing and what is there on the business case? Now, we can also look at this in terms of a flow as well. And this is where we can start creating a little bit of very high level logic map in the sense. So what was the problem that we're trying to solve, the objectives we're trying to achieve? We can clearly state the benefits in terms of these are the benefits we're going to get. Again, improved efficiency, improved compliance, whatever it may well be that we're trying to get. We might get more sales, we might get more profit, we might get an additional person, which means we'll get more productivity in a sense. It really, whatever the benefits are that's associated with your business case, and then leading to how does that then support the organization in terms of moving forward strategically. So that's a key part of our strategic context and trying to paint that. Let's say often quite simple to draw that priority, or hopefully it is. But if it's not, then already we should be questioning whether we should be doing our case.